To Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs at the top of the Betway Premiership with 11 games played and 22 points in between them. The only thing that is different between them are the goal difference. But a 6 win, both of them, and 4 draws, both of them, and both have lost one match in this Betway Premiership, followed by Skokone with 2 losses, 3 draws, and 6 wins, and Orlando Pirates with 2 games in hand and 6 wins. 6 wins are the only thing that they have in common between them because on the Pirates have 2 matches that are trailing behind. If on the Pirates win this match that are playing against Golden Arrows tonight, they are going to be at the second of the Betway Premiership, followed by Kaizer Chiefs. It's going to shift to number 3, and Skokone that's going to shift to number 4. Orlando Pirates are in a good position to lead the Betway Premiership because if they win those 2 matches, they're going to be at the top of the Betway Premiership, followed by Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs and Skokone.